Happy birthday, Nolan.
That's
Sally?
Sally?
Yeah. Say happy birthday, Nolan, Lila.
What's on here? Look.
What's that?
What's on there? What is that?
Helicopter.
A helicopter.
All right.
I like.
Outside they go. You're right.
Why?
They fly. Okay, try that one.
Good job.
What's in
So you
this?
got a helicopter shirt, you got a dump truck shirt,
What's in this one?
I mean a tow truck shirt. Let's see what this one is.
What's in this one? What's in this one? What's the paper? Good job.
Can you get it?
Okay, pull it out. What's on that one? What is that?
Lego.
A race car.
All right. Let me see it.
Whoa, race car.
You showing Lila?
Okay.
Lila.
That's cool. That's 3 Cool Man shirts.
Okay, what's in this one?
Mama.
Ooh,
Yeah.
let's see what's in there.
You have 2 more presents. Go ahead.
Open up that one.
Zebin.
Pop one home, honey.
Yeah, pop one home. Uh-oh. Lila wants presents too.
Okay, go ahead and open it. What's in that one?
Rip the paper.
Rip the paper off. Can you get it? What's that?
No.
Pull it out. What is this? Look. Whoa.
It's Nolan's birthday cup.
It's a birthday cup. Cars. Okay, what's in here? What do you think that one is? What do you think this is? Yeah.
Having a drink?
Good job. All right, what's in this one?
All right, let's see.
Red paper.
What's the paper? What's gonna be in here? Good job.
Car.
Uh-oh. Here, what kind of car?
What kind of car?
Do you know what kind of truck that is?
Potato.
Penn State truck. All right.
Open.
Go ahead, pull it out. Penn State truck? Whoa.
Let me see it.
Cool. Okay, one more. One more.
You got a Penn State truck?
Want Mommy to open?
My open.
Okay.
Oh, juice.
Juice? You think that's juice?
Wow.
Let me see that.
Potato.
All right. Yeah, open your other one.
Juice.
I don't think it's juice.
Car.
Another one.
It's another one? Let's see what it is.
Is it another?
Oh.
What is it?
Birthday car.
A Penn State car?
Wow. Penn State.
Mommy open.
Wow, Lila.
Potato.
Alright, let's see.
Lala. Look at
Wow.
that. Lala, look at that.
Wow, Lila, look what Nolan got for his birthday. 2 Penn State cars. Penn State truck and Penn State car.
That's so cool.
Happy birthday. You look-
All that cars.
Yeah.
All done.
All done.
Can you say happy birthday, Nolan?
It's Nolan's happy birthday.
Go there.
All
He
right.
wants to go play.